On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don host PMAN as e promise to give better support to creative industry. We can see Governor Godwin Obaseki don show ogbonge support, the one wey go help put creative industry for Edo State for better position. E tok on top the support wey e wan give dem as e receive members of Edo State Chapter of Performing Musicians Employers Association of Nigeria (PMAN) for Government House, Benin City. Obaseki tok say government work na to believe say wetin dis pipo dey do, dem collabo with dem and dem do business wey go make better things dey creative for Edo State. E tok say dem need Tanda dis creative business well for Edo State as e go help develop Edo and e wan make dem clean the system as government go support dem. Obaseki tok say e go make sense if dem clear their industry well as e go help dem sabi pipo wey their hand clean to do business and make better law dey ground wey go help make the industry waka far. E tok say Edo State government dey work well to see say nightlife begin for Edo with the project wey dem call Electrify Edo, as dem go make sure say 50 kilometers of street for Edo State e get light wey go make business and gbedu life go well for night. We can see governor tok on top the work wey im administration dey do to see say creative hub go dey for artists for Edo State and dem go get where dem go fit dey do their business, as dis one go help Edo State government waka far for their development plan. E con tok say the creative hub go tanda gidigba like the production center and the innovative hub wey dey Edo State. Willie Oduwa Egenova wey carry the team come government house con salute Governor Obaseki for the work wey e dey do and tok say governor work don show to see say Edo State go well for every sector. Egenova tok say PMAN submit proposal on performance permit, the one wey go help generate revenue for the association and for Edo State government. Na here we see the better informate reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as Governor Godwin Obaseki don host PMAN and e don promise to give better support give creative industry for Edo State. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate wey una hear so on top wetin shele for inside Edo today na T Live Media na im bring am come for una. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge informate on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. And una fit still follow us for Facebook. Make una like and follow our page for T Live Media. Our website still don gidigba put to get correct informate as e dey hot for Edo State for www.tlivemedia.com.